The term blastic means cell layers. There are some organisms in which two cell layers are found. The outermost cell layer is called as ectoderm and innermost cell layer is called as endoderm. Such organisms in which only two cell layers occur are called as diploblastic organisms. Example, sponges. There are some other organisms in which three cell layers are found. Outermost is called as ectoderm, innermost is endoderm, and middle is called as mesoderm. Such organisms in which three cell layers are found are called as triploblastic organisms. Example, human beings.